Hi there, welcome back. In this video, we are going to learn how to reset user password or how to unlock user account. So let's get started. We need to open this tool, Active Directory, users and computers. I'm opening it. Now we received the call from the user saying that I just forget the password. Could you please reset the password for me? So we need to search username or employee ID by here. So I'm putting the name of user is John. Okay, I got the John here. I open it. Before reset the password of the user, make sure we are authenticated, like user the person who is calling us, he is the right person, he is the employee of our organization. To check that, to confirm that, we have to check something like we have to confirm user's manager name. We will go to the organization tab and we will ask user, what is your manager name? Once user confirm my manager name is Matt, we will authenticate, yeah, this is our employee, and we are good to reset his password. Another thing, we have to confirm that what is his joining date in our organization. To check that, we have to go into the object tab. I'm looking for that, where it is, object. All right, so we need to confirm when he joined this organization. We need to confirm that. All right, once he is confirmed, this is my joining date, we are good to reset the user password. So I'll right click on it, I'll go to the reset password. I will check this option as well if account got logged out. Okay, we will put the new password, and same password we have to provide to the user. All right, I'm putting this new password. Come on. Password match not confirmed. Okay, no problem. My keyboard is very small. All right, so we have reset the user password as well as we have unlocked the user account, and the password which we have entered at the moment, same password we have to give to the user to log in. All right, so this is how it works. We need to authenticate first before resetting the password. So that's it, we can give the password to the user. When user will log into the machine, machine will ask user to change the password again. All right, so the password which you reset, that will not work again, because for some security reason, once user will log in, it will ask user to put the new password. So that's it, so how it works. Let's see you in next video.